Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best professional electric nail drills that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Melody Suzy Electric Nail Drill Kit. You'll get 6 metal manicure bits and a bevy of sanding bands with this precision nail kit, which features a single button for adjustable speed control button. As an added bonus, you can use it to buff and file acrylics, natural nails, or gel polish to perfection. The Melody Suzy Sylvia Nail Drill is an all-in-one nail maintenance device that allows you to bring your beauty salon home and do your own manicures. Functional, versatile, and easy to use, it's an essential tool for nail care veterans and newcomers alike. Moving on at number 4, we have Buer MP64 Nail Drill Kit. Amazon shoppers are raving about this versatile nail device, which has over 17,000 customer reviews and nearly a 5-star rating. In addition to its 10 attachments, this tool for manicures and pedicures rotates both clockwise and counterclockwise. The bright LED light ensures the best possible view of the area to be treated, and the ergonomic design of the fingernail drill prevents it from slipping off during treatment. For even more comfort and flexibility, the integrated, high-performance lithium-ion battery provides up to 2 hours of wireless Dremel nail treatment without the hassle of cables. The manicure tool plus the attachments can be easily stored into the included premium storage pouch. At number 3, we have Beetart Box Nail Drill. This compact tool isn't just nice to look at. It's also ideal for shaping uneven nails, smoothing rough cuticles, or removing hard gel and acrylics, since it includes a range of speeds and stainless steel bit options that make it totally customizable. It can be used to file and shape of various nails. It works much more quickly than a standard nail file, which is why it's an especially important tool for shaping and maintaining nails. This nail drill handpiece with high precision and high torque truly achieve low noise, low vibration, and low heat. Design with ventilation for reducing the handpiece temperature. Smooth operation with variable speed control, 0-30,000 RPM. At number 2, we have Finishing Touch Nails Kit. Here's a best-selling, ergonomic device from Finishing Touch that's equipped with a built-in LED light and 6 attachments to remove cuticles, enhance nail shine, and more. Removed 6-week-old gel polish without damaging my toes. I absolutely love this device and highly recommend. It requires low maintenance, and I have charged it one time since purchasing about 6 months ago. Such an awesome gadget, must have, and it will blow your mind with its accuracy. Especially if you know how to do nails. I don't know how I've been living without this prior to buying. Ashley. And finally at number 1. Fancy Electric Manicure and Pedicure Nail File Set. Snag a rare 44% off on this cordless drill set at Amazon. It includes a built-in stand that nicely doubles as a UV dryer to cut down on polish drying time. The Fancy Manicure and Pedicure system is the perfect and effortless way to keep your toenails and fingernails shiny and beautiful. The 5 high-quality, interchangeable attachments allow you to remove excess cuticles or calluses, smooth dead skin, and drill, file, buff, polish, and shape your nails just like a day at the salon. The compact, battery-operated design allows for the portability you need to perform a manicure or pedicure wherever you are. The small, pen-size electric nail file can be conveniently held and stored inside your purse or handbag for nail care on the go. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.